Welcome everybody to Gloria Bex Kitchen. The reason I decided to open this channel is because I've seen a lot of young kids 18 and above who live home and they don't know how to make like simple food. So this is gonna inspire the young generation, especially in Europe or America or Canada or anywhere, to learn how to cook simple food and minimize the cost. So here we go. Today I have chicken here with potatoes grilling. And the chicken is made out of, come close and see, chili powder, salt, sorry guys, I'm trying to remember what I've put in there. Anyway, as you can see here, hope I'm not burning it. I have to turn it. Sorry guys, I have to turn it. I'll continue shortly. Ready? So as I was saying, I have potatoes here and chicken. The chicken is marinated basically with powdered chili powder, salt, cardamom and finish, and salt as well. Yeah, basically that's it. And then we're gonna have boiled tea with ginger right here later. And I have watermelon here as a fruit, and carrot as vegetable, and what else? And some juice here, some little. And we're gonna continue talking more later. Hope you're gonna like my channel, and I want to inspire young people to learn how to cook simple food and minimize cost. Thank you. My name is Gloria Bex. Okay.